Hi guys, it's Amanda from Tailored Transformations. So I want to have a bit of a chat to you about our five senses: sight, sound, smell, taste and touch. Now these are hugely important and can really help us with our well-being in general. A lot of the services that I provide, the different therapies, use one or all of these to really help your brain connect to what it is that you're doing and to help you make the positive changes that you want to make. So this week I listened to a podcast by Dr. Laurie Santos, The Happiness Lab, and it was all about your senses. And it's really inspired me to just give you some ideas on how you can use this to help yourself and help your well-being. So my thoughts are, over the next 5 weeks, we're going to cover all of them, and we'll go into a bit of detail into how that can help your well-being. So please do join me, check it out, listen to what we're doing, have a go, note in the comments if any of it works for you, and I might even throw a bit of a test in there so you can see which of your five senses you use more than the others, which will help you to see which ones you need to work on a little bit more, and also help you see how you see the world. So please do check it out. I hope you can join me, and I will catch up with you in the next weeks. Thanks.